What's up, guys? I had some interest in my last couple of videos about how I made them and what it took and all that, so I just thought I'd make a little quick video and show you just what it took to make those videos. Normally I would just go out and fly. Most of my videos I just go out and fly a couple of packs, put some music to it, and however it comes out, it comes out. Last couple of videos though, and I've done a few in the past too, but not quite this extensive, is I find 3 or 4 good music videos that I like and just take the music off one of them and take the video out of 2 or 3 of the other ones and splice a bunch of pieces together that I think looks good and put some of my flying in with it. I'm just trying to be different and make interesting videos. The last video I made, it took 5 hours to make, and I'm going to show you now on my computer here. This is my Power Director 16, and this is all the videos and all the audio that I used and all of the splices. So as you can see here, all these up here is the videos and different things that I used, and right here you can see that all these different little splices along through here. That's each one of those is a different video, piece of a different video. And then here's the music down here. And you know, you have to watch, I've probably got about 5 different videos and 2 or 3 audios in this, and you have to watch each video over and over and over. And it's really hard to do, to splice it in and make it look good, to make it look like it was made that way. It's not easy. But anyway, I hope you guys are enjoying what I'm making. I'm fixing to start trying to make one about a roller coaster. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it or not. I've never tried anything like that, but I'm going to try to use some roller coaster footage, a song about roller coasters, and some of my flying. Try to make something look good. It may turn out crappy. A lot of things I do, I won't even post because it don't look good. To me, it looks crappy. Then some things I post, it's okay. Then every once in a while I hit on something good, like that last video. I think it turned out really good. And the one before that, the Sex Metal Barbie, that was pretty good. But it takes a lot to make these videos, guys. Anybody can go out and just fly and put music to it. That's easy. But making something like this is hard. And you got to have patience. And sometimes I run out of patience. And sometimes my computer will crash and I forgot to save it. And boy, that really ticks me off. Because then you've lost all your work. But anyway, guys, this is what it took. You can see it was a lot of dead gum work. I hope you enjoyed it. Y'all guys have a great day.